Hey everybody, today I'm just having a simple taco lunch. Today, instead of using canned cheese or shredded cheese, today I used
Con queso.
Tostitos cheese in this mix. Let me add some chips to my one taco here that's not folded up yet. That's the kind of chips I'm putting on there. Cheddar and sour cream. I like how these chips taste with this. It tastes really good. This is my first time doing this with these chips. And I like how it tastes. It tastes good to me.
This is gonna fill me up. I'm not gonna eat anything more after this. You're welcome to sample it. See what you think of it. Call it for what it is. Look at this. What do you think that is? Taco salad on chips.
Yeah, but I won't eat any of that because you got lettuce in it.
Well, you can take a bite off of here. There ain't no lettuce there. The one right down here, there's very little. I just sprinkled some lettuce on there. Anyways, look at this little monster. It's called the taco salad on chips. I don't have a taco bowl, so I'm doing it my way. Soft tacos, Supremes. It'll take me a couple of days to eat all that. Because I know it will. I have faith in myself on that one.
But yeah, my honey's over here hanging out.
But we found two turkeys, two 10-pound turkeys for Thanksgiving and one for Christmas. And you'll get to see the one on Thanksgiving when it's done.
And definitely share my videos to whoever you feel or think would like to see these kind of videos.
I can't eat no more.
That's my honey's plate. And no, I'm not going to eat that. I'm not going to eat that because I'm full. But yeah, Make sure you share these videos with others that you think would like to see someone eat. Just eat a plate of food. Not like, I'm sorry I don't eat a whole bunch of food, but like I said, I am trying to watch how much weight I gain. But until next time, all of you have an awesome day. Bye-bye.